So this is it. The car's coming to an end. It's restoration. I just got the seats back. I just put them in yesterday. Absolutely beautiful. The trimmer done an awesome job on them. They're made to exactly the same design as the factory Escorts in Australia. It's even got the vinyl perforated like they were from factory. That was a job in itself. Had to get sent away to get the vinyl perforated. Yeah, even the back seat's absolutely mint. It's come out really good too. I've just got to get carpet put over the wheel wells. I'm waiting on it to turn up. I ordered it about a month ago. Yeah, I got a fiberglass parcel shelf. Then I've got the fiberglass pillar covers wrapped in the moon crater hood lining. It's like factory Escort hood lining. I put that up myself. The visors, they're just like, I managed to find some good ones and gave them a good clean up. They're very difficult to find, from my opinion. But yeah, the dash is great. Absolutely beautiful. Even got the factory AM radio, clock, everything works. Heaters, fans, blinkers, and the we got the RS, UK RS dash in it. That cost me a pretty penny. I had to get it. It cost me a lot of money to buy it initially. Then I had to get it sent away to get repaired. But yeah, it's sweet. Everything works on it now. So these door trims I got there from Ridge in the UK. Also got these others from the back in the UK, Ridge. Pulling up in the corners in the armrest area there, but it's just something I'm gonna have to live with. It's probably the heat here in Australia. It gets pretty hot. That's it really. There's not much else I need to do to the car. Like, it just starts and runs, drives good. Yeah, just need to send it off to get dyno tuned. I've got my own trailer to take it in, but I can't really go up and down the highway of a car float with this on the back because I'll be breaching the isolation rules here in Australia with COVID-19, so yeah. Bloody tiger moth. Bloody got a tiger moth airfield down the road and they're always showing off. But yeah, this thing starts and runs. Starts and runs. That's sweet. Pop the hood. Yep. It's running very rich. It's got a bit of a lumpy idle. Sounds like it's got a cam, if it hasn't. Yeah, his next door neighbour, he's got his pilot's licence and he goes down the road to the tiger moth airfield. And he's always out there playing around. So yeah. Yeah, it needs a good tune. It's running really rich. I've got these little gauges in here. Got the water temperature, but that's actually going to the automatic transmission, so I can keep an eye on the transmission temps because it's got a high stall torque converter, so I can easily cook the transmission if I'm not careful. And then I've got the oil pressure, which isn't connected at the moment. That's going to be fuel pressure. And the other one's just the boost gauge, and then over there's the Innovate wideband. So got them hidden. So The next video on this car will be dyno tuning. See what sort of numbers I can punch out of it. I'm not shy on giving it heaps of boost because the motor's pretty strong. It's all forged internals, so stay tuned for more action.